Onion's potential as a potent home remedy for hair loss has also been studied scientifically. According to the research, onion juice is used for alopecia areata, an autoimmune disease that presents with patchy hair loss. As per the study, participants who applied onion juice twice daily for 2 months experienced much better hair regrowth rates compared to others. Onion is rich in sulfur. This mineral is one of the main building blocks of hair. It improves blood circulation and provides the hair follicles with sufficient nourishment. Onion also has antibacterial properties, so it helps with scalp infections that might contribute to hair loss.